okay?
No. Hey guys, welcome to Angie's Table. So today we're gonna make tteokbokki, which is a very popular Korean street food. My sister and I were walking through the grocery store and we ended up looking at this, which is cheese tteok. And tteok is a rice cake that is the main ingredient in tteokbokki. Normally in tteokbokki, fish cake goes in it. It's called odeng. But since that's not really vegan, we thought of a substitute and we decided to pan fry some tofu and kind of use it as a topping for the vegan tteokbokki. Now let's go take a look at what ingredients we'll need. So we're gonna go ahead and make the sauce first. It doesn't matter what order you put it in, but I'll go ahead and add in the brown sugar. Next is the soy sauce. And then we have the finely ground red pepper. We have the coarsely ground red pepper. And then we have the gochujang. And all we need to do is thoroughly mix this mixture. Okay. Go ahead and close this and store it in the fridge, or we can use it right away. And whenever you want to make tteokbokki, you could go ahead and just add water and your ingredients and you're set. Okay, and now I grabbed the paper towel because I'm just gonna try my best to pat it dry because it makes the pan frying easier and it makes it even crispier when all the water is out. I'm really sorry, I forgot to add the cornstarch to the list of ingredients in the beginning. And now we're just gonna coat all around the tofu with cornstarch because we're gonna pan fry and so we want it to be crispy. And I'm gonna turn the heat on high. I have a shallow pool of vegetable oil in the pan. And once the oil is hot enough, I'll start adding in the tofus. Make sure it's golden brown on all the sides. And that's it. When they're about ready, I have a paper towel ready on the plate to catch all the oil. Okay, and the tofu's ready. I have here the rice cakes submerged in water, and that's to soften the rice cakes. And then we're gonna go ahead and start cutting up the fish cakes. I'll cut it up into fours. Then all you need to do is cut it from one end to the other diagonally, and there you have it. So the pan we're gonna be using today, it's one pan, but it's split into two, which is kind of cool. So I thought it'd be good for you guys to kind of see the visual difference between the two. I'm gonna put about half of the sauce into each side. I'll go ahead and make this the cheese tteokbokki and this the vegan tteokbokki. I drained the water and I'll put the cheese tteokbokki here and the regular tteokbokki here. Go ahead and add the fish cakes here and add half the onions into each. The onions will add a lot of sweetness to the tteokbokki. And I'll just add a handful of my green onions into each side. And now add the water to each side. Now we're gonna put this on the stove. Now I'm giving it a quick stir to make sure that the paste is evenly spread throughout the water. And I would say to cook it on medium heat for about 10 to 15 minutes. So I wanted to give you guys a quick tip on how I make a hard-boiled egg. I like it where it's not too overcooked, so I'll give you my tip on that. So I have my pot of water and I'll put my egg in it, close the lid, put it on high heat. Once it starts to boil, I turn the fire off and just let it sit in there for 10 minutes. Okay, now sprinkle cheese on top. This is, where? Oh, you scared me. We're gonna sprinkle cheese on top, and this is optional. I said a cup because I love cheese, but if you guys don't like cheese that much, just add a little bit. And after I added the cheese, I turned the heat off and have the lid just so that it melts the cheese.
Are you okay?
No.
Oh no. Get the oven mitts in the pan. Take two.
God, I almost had like another accident.
Go.
I'm getting a facial steam. Okay, now I'm just gonna add the tofu into the vegan tteokbokki.
Can you place it nicer?
Okay. We're gonna garnish it with the green onions. Onions. Some sesame seeds. This is optional. Just doing it for looks. And that's how we make tteokbokki. I hope you guys tried this recipe out and let me know if you guys liked it or not, or even which one was your favorite. Make sure to like and subscribe. Oops. Okay, make sure to like and subscribe and comment below for any questions. Bye. And today we have my dad joining us. 오빠 먹어봐. 오빠 해줄게. 치즈 먹어볼래? 이건 치즈 들어간 거야.
Look at the cheese.
오. 치즈 들어간 거 먹어봐봐. 오 마이 갓.
어떻게?
먹어.
먹어?
어. 먹으면 돼.
Angie, try
Try the tofu. 괜찮아? Grace, join us.